Hi, I'm Jamie from Xcase, and today I'm going to take a look at one of our V12 cases. This is just a standard V12 BB, all black. Popular case this, we've sold a few thousand. It's £10.99 plus VAT, which at the end of the day is no more than a couple of glasses of wine. Well, depending where you drink, of course. Anyway, £10.99, what do you get for it? Well, actually, quite a lot. Take a look at the side panel first. Got some ventilation in there. No fans on the side panel. The front cover is actually very nice. It's got this glossed paint effect, reflective. We've got this touch button start at the bottom there. This glows up nice and blue. A couple of front USBs. A flip down cover for the top 5.25 bay, of which there are two. And a 3.5 inch bay cover. Although, as I said, it's just £10.99, it's not actually particularly weak, it's almost fairly strong. Now, it's a bit of a unique design, the V12, whereas a normal PSU would go at the top there, or perhaps down the bottom on some chassis. On the V12, it goes on the bottom. Now, the whole point of this is it means that you can get a full-sized ATX motherboard into a much smaller area, so you don't have to have a big case. Of course, it'll also take an ITX motherboard or a micro ATX. We've got 7 expansion slots. We include one 80mm fan. And a bag of bits for screwing your motherboard and hard drives, CD-ROM, etc. into place. As far as hard drives are concerned, you can fit one here, or if you're not going to use an external card reader or floppy drive, you can install one in here. You could, of course, use an extra hard drive at 5.25 bays using an adapter. One thing to note, if you are using a full-size motherboard, on some boards, if you use two 5.25 devices like two CD-ROMs, the second one may have a problem with your motherboard. So just work on the assumption that it's one CD-ROM. Of course, if it's a LCD or something which only comes to about here, then you're not going to have a problem, but anything that's going to jut out on the second 5.25 could be an issue. That's where you put your power at the back. So, I think that's about it. Xcase V12 all black for £10.99. Really a smashing little case. Ideal for an upgrade from an old beige case or something like that, or for making a fairly cheap system up. Thanks for listening.